Mather Heights Elementary School, you're the home of our next Teacher of the Month. We'll stay on task. We'll be respectful. Christina Harlin, we're going to come get you. Let's go. Ms. Harlin, you're the Teacher of the Month.
Thank you so much.
Looking at the enthusiasm, you're teaching them how to write letters. How does it make you feel to know that the rest of their life they're going to remember where they learned this?
Oh, I think it's amazing. It's like the best gift of teaching is that you're just create these little memories with these kids and you get to watch them grow and learn, and then they come back to you and they reach out to you. It's rewarding.
Christina, I am so proud on behalf of Schools First to present you with this amazing plaque.
Oh my goodness, thank you.
And a check for $1,000.
$1,000!
ABC 10's Teacher of the Month is sponsored by Schools First Federal Credit Union.